Welcome back. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. In this one, we're walking through a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment located in El Tesoro, right next to the mall. This is the kitchen area here, open concept. It was recently remodeled. The building was built in 1990, but this was recently remodeled. The backsplash with the bricks looks really cool there. Very good use of space here. You've got the stackable washer dryer and the fridge right next to it. You've got this countertop that has the sink on it. And then down below, you've got storage area. I like how they left it open, which really adds to the design. They did a great job. And this also doubles as an eating space. As you can see, there's high chairs on the other side there. I love the design on this one. You've got the open concept ceiling or the industrial style ceilings, but you've got a lot of wood tones, a lot of green. So it still feels homey. It feels like I could live in here. But this one's on Airbnb. This one does really well on Airbnb. The reason why they're selling it is because they are Colombian owners. They've been managing it for less than a year since it was remodeled, and it does well, but they need the money to build on a plot of land that they just bought. So they're looking to get rid of it. They're motivated. Yeah, if you're interested, make sure to click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and I'll add you on WhatsApp and we'll go take a look at it. This is the first bathroom. Again, this is 2-bedroom, 2 full baths. That's the first bathroom, living area here. Love it. Feels great. With the windows open, you actually get a breeze in there, although there is air conditioning in both of the bedrooms that we're going to go take a look at. This is 74 square meters. It's about 800 square feet. It's got a garage and a storage unit downstairs as well. This is the first bedroom here. Big enough for a king-size bed, but they put a queen size here. Queen does the job for Airbnb purposes. You've got the master bedroom here, another queen-size bed. Looks lovely. I like the minimalistic look. I love their decor. They did a great job with it. I don't think you would need to do anything else to this. This is turnkey. If you wanted to live in it, you can move right in. If you wanted to put it up on Airbnb, it's ready. So very well done. This is the master bathroom. Love the tile on the walls. It definitely a good contrast with the wood floors. All right, so we're gonna go back out. There's more storage here. You've got the coat rack there with the bench underneath. Again, very cool. I love it. Let me know what you think about this one. Okay, here's our building. I'm zoomed in here. I'm gonna start moving out or zooming out here so you can see where we are. This is El Tesoro. This is Transversal Superior, which is a flat area of El Tesoro up here. So you can basically walk to the mall every single day if you wanted to work there. There's also this really cool co-working spot called Bloom right here. And of course, you've got the Amsterdam Plaza, which is also very cool. Places to eat, co-work, cafes, etc. Right there. And then for context, this is where Provenza is. Provenza is over here. So the building is here. Let's see how far it is let's see how far it is to Provenza if you wanted to walk there. And walking, it's 23 minutes. And if you take a car right now, it's not rush hour, so it's 8 minutes, which is great. This one's perfect for a single person or a couple that wants to live in Medellin, whether it's full-time or part-time. If you're living in it part-time, you can put it up on Airbnb for 30-day minimums. And because it's so close to El Tesoro Mall, Amsterdam Plaza, and Provenza, the occupancy rate is always high. If you're interested in this one, or maybe you're looking for something different, make sure to click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next one.